Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Nifty City. So welcome back once again after a considerable amount of time. Okay, thoda break ho gaya in between. Was really caught up with work and stuff, but now we're back. We'll try to be more active. New month, new monthly series has started. We've tried to post a little bit of data points in the free Telegram group as and when possible, which has worked out quite well. So now let's see where the market is heading. What is the outlook of all the indices going forward? So this video is going to be dedicatedly for indices only. We're not going to discuss stocks here. Stocks, I will put up something on Instagram where link will be posted. You can check out the stocks there, monthly breakout stocks. Looking at the indices now from the coming week, we have an expiry on each day. So Monday we have Midcap, Tuesday we have Fin Nifty, Wednesday we have Bank Nifty, Thursday we have Nifty, Friday we have Sensex. So terrific expiry day trading is going to happen from now onwards. So we're going to look to be more active. Now let's get into Nifty. Let's dive into. Before we start, please hit the like button. Like button दबा दीजिए वीडियो पे. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe कर लीजिए and comment. Okay, if you want any particular stock to be covered, please comment. I will cover the stock for you. So what do we have here? Now we have here, this is the daily chart. We had a good momentum. We had a pause, went up, and now we've been on a downward swing. Now clearly we spoke, this was the support area. Okay, this gap that was pending here, this was the support area. ये support area पे perfectly support लिया है. काफी अच्छा इधर एक टाइम बिताया है, टाइम व्यतीत किया है, इधर एक बेस बनाया है मार्केट ने. नाउ व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज कि ये बेस के ऊपर का ब्रेकआउट हमको मिलते ही, ओके, दैट इज समवेयर अराउंड दिस लेवल 19,600 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग मिलते ही कंफर्मेशन हो जाएगा कि इधर एक बॉटम हमारा एक बन चुका है. टिल दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल. ओके, दिस इज ऑब्वियसली अ बाइंग जोन. ओके, हियर is obviously a buying zone on the upside. This is our major resistance area. इसके ऊपर if we go, then we will be heading towards the all-time high. Now, probability of two cases. Monday looks to be positive. Okay, positive opening. If we open positive, if we go above this resistance zone, then ये area में we may spend some time again. Okay. Now that is scenario number one. Scenario number two will obviously be कि we were closing above this and directly rally towards a new all-time high. Scenario number three obviously will be that we take a resistance from here and come down again and fill this gap that was pending here. डाउनसाइड पे व्हाट डू वी हैव? डाउनसाइड पे दिस इज आवर सपोर्ट 18,800 से लेके 19,000 के बीच में. दिस इज आवर मेजर सपोर्ट एरिया. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द hourly chart. Okay, now here we have the hourly chart. Let me show you the levels. Okay, now these are the levels that we have on the hourly chart. फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ लेवल जहां हमारा लॉन्ग ट्रिगर हो जाएगा मंडे को, दैट इज 19,458 का लेवल. ओके, इसके ऊपर जाते ही लॉन्ग ट्रिगर हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस इज गोइंग टू बी 19,509. दिस इज अ माइनर रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, ऑन अ शॉर्ट टाइम फ्रेम 15 मिनट चार्ट्स पे आपको ये रेजिस्टेंस दिखेगा. वी आर ऑन आर्ली चार्ट्स राइट नाउ. अबव दिस वी हैव 19,572 followed by 19,634. Okay, these are your resistance points. On the lower side, what do we have? Lower side पे this zone 201 से लेके 223 is your support zone. इसके नीचे if we go, the next support zone we have is 829 to 881 with 19,000 being a logical support in between. Okay, so these are your support levels, these are your resistance levels. Now, what is your trading plan for Monday? Now, trading plan for Monday will be very simple. If we open gap up, okay, here we may take some kind of resistance 509 पे. 509 पे आके अगर इधर रीटेस्ट हो रहा है, रीटेस्ट के बाद इधर एक कन्वर्जन हो रहा है, तो देन डेफिनेटली दिस इज अ लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटी हियर. और इफ वी ब्रेक 509, देन अ लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटी विल ट्रिगर right here. Clear है guys? Now let's just have a look at how the data is forming once. So now if we see the data, clearly we have 19,300 पे एक big support now. Okay, 19,300 पे बहुत अच्छी put writing हो गई है. So 19,300 is a big support right now. 19,400 also is developing nicely. 500, 600 is your area. Above 600, we don't have any major resistance in the market. Okay, right now data PCR also if you see is 1.25. It's very bullish as of now. Monday will be important to see where we close on Monday. अगर Monday को we get follow through buying, then definitely things will look very positive. बट आई विल नॉट गो ओवरबोर्ड टिल द टाइम 19,634 के ऊपर आई डोंट गेट अ क्लोजिंग. ओके, दिस लेवल, इसके ऊपर इफ आई डोंट गेट अ क्लोजिंग टिल दैट टाइम आई विल बी कॉशियस. ऑब्वियसली बुलिश बट लिटिल कॉशियस. ओके, अगर इधर से रिवर्सल आ रहा है तो डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट दैट रिवर्सल एज वेल. देर इज अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट वी मे कंटिन्यू टू बी इन दिस रेंज. Unless we break out above this, then definitely we can go sideways in the upper range, right? Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty mein, what do we have? Bank Nifty mein, a similar kind of setup we have where the market fell, made one comeback. Again, monthly expiry ka thoda pressure tha. Now, again, things are looking good. We've discussed this time and again. Private banks, especially HDFC Bank, is a little weaker. So HDFC Bank ने बहुत अच्छा correction दिया. PSU banks are doing better than private banks. So we saw that rally happening. Now, what is important going forward is for HDFC Bank to bounce back. Okay, HDFC Bank भी अपने crucial levels पे जा चुका है. उधर से bounce back HDFC Bank का बहुत ही ज़्यादा important होगा. So now how do we trade this? Okay, now इसमें clear cut we have that our final support is going to be this. Okay, this is your final support level. इसके नीचे things will become very negative for Bank Nifty. पॉजिटिविटी कहाँ आएगी? 45,200 के ऊपर अच्छी खासी पॉजिटिविटी आ जाएगी बैंक निफ्टी में. टिल दैट टाइम, till the time we don't cross 45,200, we have to be cautious in Bank Nifty as well. Now let's look at the hourly charts and let's discuss our levels. Okay, now here we have your levels. So first resistance we have is 44,950 ka. Okay, this is your first resistance point. उसके ऊपर we have the crucial resistance of 45,118. Okay, 45,118 के बाद things start getting positive. 45,256 का एक छोटा रेजिस्टेंस है ऑन द स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम एंड 45,404 का एक मेजर रेजिस्टेंस है. सो दीज आर योर रेजिस्टेंस पॉइंट्स. ओके, ये अपने चार्ट्स पे मार्क कर लीजिए. डाउन साइड पे व्हाट डू वी हैव? नाउ डाउन साइड पे वी हैव 43,600 एज योर सपोर्ट. Okay, very crucial support. Below that we have 43,345, which is your final support. अगर ये support टूटा, then definitely we will see a big fall in Bank Nifty. Now, is that possible? Yes, it is possible. Is it likely? No, it is not likely. ठीक है, bias थोड़ा bullish की तरफ है. So let's see. Now, as you know, last many weeks we have been trading in the range. Okay, this range we have been trading in. You can see this range. So important है कि first we get out of this range. Okay, you can say this zone we have to get out of. 45,120 के ऊपर longs will get triggered. Now, if we open gap up on Monday, right, if we open above 44,600, then definitely we can, if it's a huge gap up, okay, somewhere around here, then avoid longs, wait for the reaction happening in this zone. But if it is a minor gap up, okay, somewhere around here, then definitely we can start attempting longs, okay, with the first 5-minute candle ka low as your stop loss, or you can keep this as your stop loss and attempt longs in Bank Nifty. Clear hai? Now let's look at Fin Nifty. What is happening in Fin Nifty? Similar kind of setup as Bank Nifty. Now what is important here? हाँ, उसके पहले let's check out Bank Nifty का data as well. Okay, Bank Nifty data में 44,000 का बहुत अच्छा support develop हो चुका है. 44,500 का एक resistance है, but we are already at 44,436. If we open above 44,500, then things will become very simple for us, followed by 45,000. Okay, so no major resistance. PCR is 1.15, which is positive. So everything is good on that front as well. Now, Fin Nifty mein, what do we have? Fin Nifty mein we have, okay, this range that we've been trading in. Okay, this is your upper end of the range. Moment we break out of this range, things will become positive. Remember, Fin Nifty expiry is on Tuesday. So whatever trend that you will get here. Okay, now this is your major point. Okay, you can see this was a swing, went up, tried here, tried taking support at this swing, fell. So now this swing is going to be important. Again, it is taking resistance at this swing itself. But if it crosses this, we may see some significant amount of short covering in Fin Nifty as well. So let's check out the levels. Here we have very simple levels. So 19,927 के ऊपर longs trigger हो जाएंगे. Resistance क्या है? 20,104 and 20,195. Okay, these are your resistance areas, followed by 20,382. Now these are your resistance areas. Mark these on your charts. This will help you. Support में we have 19,424. इसके नीचे चीजें काफी ज्यादा negative हो जाएंगी in Fin Nifty. right? What is your trading plan if you're going to trade Fin Nifty? If we open gap up anywhere here, then we will wait, okay, because we have a overhead resistance in 19,927. ये क्रॉस होते ही you can trigger your longs. अगर गैप अप ओपन होके इधर से रिट्रेसमेंट, ये गैप फिल हो रहा है वापस और वापस ये ब्रेक हो रहा है, दैट इज योर बेस्ट केस सिनारियो फॉर गोइंग लॉन्ग इन फिन निफ्टी. क्लियर है? नाउ लेट अस लुक एट मिड कैप, जिसका एक्सपायरी है मंडे को. ओके, नाउ मिड कैप में इफ यू सी टेरिफिक, people have been saying, mid cap is going to correct, but doesn't look like it is correcting anywhere. So till the time it doesn't give us a clear cut signal, we can't do anything. Okay, here also we thought mid cap can definitely correct. Negativity tha idhar, 3 candle setup tha, but it has broken the highs again and is going up. So things look positive again in mid cap space. Now let us look at the levels. Okay, here we are next to our all-time highs. So what do we have here? Now this level that we have here, 8922, this is your high, last month's high. Okay, so this is an important level. Till the time we are above this level, things are positive. ट्रिगर कब होगा? ट्रिगर इसके ऊपर ही, ऑल टाइम हाई के ऊपर जाते ही लॉन्ग्स वापस इसमें ट्रिगर हो जाएंगे. डाउन साइड पे व्हाट डू वी हैव? डाउन साइड पे वी हैव 8861 support here, followed by 8837. Okay, this is your support area, followed by your major support, that is 8800. Now if you see, there is a gap here. Gap up ke baad we have shown strength and we have not come back to this gap zone. So this area, till the time it is untouched, till the time it's a virgin area, this area will be very important. So recommendations will be, you can, if you're ultra safe, you can sell these puts, 8800 put. If you want to go a little more aggressive, you can sell 8860 के side पे की तरफ, next to this put you can sell. Okay, moment we move above this, we can get some good traction. If we open slightly gap down or flat and we're trading below this, till the time these levels are not breached on the lower side, no shorts will be triggered. Coming here, these levels will be buying zones itself on the downside. Okay, so don't compare mid cap space with Nifty. They are not necessarily going to move in the same direction. Highly possible that they may move in different directions. But as of now, mid cap space is looking quite strong. But if there is a breakdown in Nifty, always remember mid cap and small caps will crack even more. Okay, inka correction due hai. They are overstretched, but till the time we don't see any significant fall, we can't comment on that. So be careful, be cautious, and trade accordingly. Right now, this is our game plan. Now coming down to Sensex. Okay, Sensex, same like Nifty setup we have here. Okay, here we had this base. Here it broke the base, but carried on trading here in support areas, and now it has bounced back. So nothing much to discuss in this particular chart apart from the levels. Okay, now here we have clear-cut levels, 64, 65, 458 और 460 के ऊपर लॉन्ग ट्रिगर हो जाएगा. जैसे ही लॉन्ग ट्रिगर होता है, here we have a good space. Okay, till this zone we have space, that is almost 65,750, 850 से लेके 66,067. This area tak we have space. So Sensex can give you a very good long trade here. On the downside, multiple times we have taken support in this area, 4 times. Now this support is weak, but definitely the support holds. Till the time this support does not break 64,723 ka, till that time things are good in Sensex as well. If this breaks, we will go down towards 64,068. Right? Once again, guys, request to you, please like the video. Please check out our Instagram profile for stock tips. Okay, we're going to be sharing a few stocks, reels wise. Okay, very good monthly breakout stocks, which I'm sure will make a lot of money for you. So do check that out. All the very best, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. All the best.